Hi everyone, this is Allison Gruhn, Vice President of Business Development at the Marine Retailers Association. And today I'm excited to walk you through some of the incredible milestones we achieved in 2023 as highlighted in our annual impact report. From record-breaking membership numbers to unprecedented Dealer Week success, let's explore how these achievements are fueling the success of the marine industry. In 2023, the MRAA reached a landmark achievement by recording the highest number of retail members in our history, surpassing 1,200 dealership locations. This growth is a testament to the value that MRA membership provides, including access to education, resources, and benefits designed to propel business growth. The addition of 15 new bronze members, thanks to a partnership with the Marine Industry Association of Central Florida, further underscores the expanding reach and impact of our association. But our growth wasn't limited to retail members. Partner membership also saw remarkable expansion, with 160 companies partnering with the MRAA, contributing to our efforts to support the industry. This surge in partnership, which included 2 Education Champion upgrades, 15 new Platinum partners, and 41 new Standard partners, enables us to enhance our offerings and create a lasting, positive impact on our retail members' businesses. And then there was Dealer Week 2023, an event that truly broke all records. With over 1,500 attendees, 721 dealership personnel, and a sold-out exhibit hall, Dealer Week set new standards for success. Located in Tampa, Florida, the event featured 150 booths, 18 dock slips, and welcomed 40 first-time exhibitors. The collaboration with manufacturers like Centurion Supreme and Skier's Choice, who held their annual dealer meetings in conjunction with Dealer Week, highlighted the event's significance as a hub for education, networking, and industry achievement. These milestones from 2023 showcase our unwavering commitment to the marine industry. Through fostering growth, education, and collaboration, we're not just responding to the needs of today, we are shaping the future of the boating industry. Thank you for joining me in celebrating these highlights from our impact report. Together, we're making waves in the marine industry, ensuring it remains vibrant and prosperous for years to come.